Hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be simply teaching you how you can remove objects from a picture in Photoshop. So this video is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So as you can see, I have pulled up this photo with a bunch of hot air balloons on the sky. So let's just say I want to remove this balloon specifically right over here. So what I'm going to do is I am simply going to select this rectangular marquee tool right over here. As you can see, it is a selection tool, so it's right below the move tool. So once I take that tool, I'm going to simply draw a small mark around the balloon I want to remove, or the object I want to remove. So now what I'm going to do is right click, and then I am simply going down here to fill and click on that. And as you can see, it says contents and there are a lot of stuff. You're going to choose content aware specifically, and what this will do is it will basically use the AI technology to fill the gap by removing this balloon right over here. So when I press OK, as you can see, the balloon has disappeared, and I can simply right click on the selection area and click deselect, and as you can see, it looks like there was no balloon ever. And you can do that repeatedly. As you can see, I will go ahead and get rid of these balloons as well, and it is as simple as that. If you thought this video was helpful, feel free to hit that subscribe button and hit that like button, and comment down below if you want more videos like this. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching.